Hi guys, this is Divanshu from Team Scrapingdog, and in this video I'll show you how you can build a simple YouTube comment sentiment analyzer using Scrapingdog and Lovable. To create this tool, we have used ChatGPT and we have asked ChatGPT to prepare a simple YouTube comment sentiment analyzer, and we have asked it to take Scrapingdog's YouTube comment API at the back end, and from the front end you can give the API key, and same for open router, or you can use ChatGPT API key also. So basically open router is a aggregator of all LLM models which you can use, and you can access each model from their website. So I have open router, but if you have ChatGPT you can use that also. You would just need to change some things in the prompt in and then give it to Lovable. However, I would also give you the public link of this tool so you can directly access it from this link. You just need to have the video ID, the Scraping Dogs API key. You need to sign up for the API key to get 1000 free credits, and then you can test this tool from that account. And you also need to have open routers API key, and you can analyze the first pages comment. For the sake of this tutorial, I have kept it to read only the first pages comment. You can change the prompt and build it as many comments as you want. When you sign up to Scraping Dog, you can see the YouTube comments API to understand how the all the parameters are used, and each page has 20 comments in it. To call next page's comment, you need to use this parameter, which is next underscore page underscore token. To prepare this tool, I have used a prompt, and that prompt I have in my blog, which I have written specifically for this tool. And if you're watching this video on YouTube or LinkedIn, I would link to the blog in the description section, and from there you can analyze, see the which I have used. So now let's test this tool, and before testing you would see that we have a front end made where we give API's key from the front end. So both Scraping Dogs and Open Router API key is given from the front end. The other parameter that you have to give to this tool is the video ID. Now video ID is something different from a YouTube link. It is a part of the link only. So suppose if there is a video and this is the whole link, the video ID would be after this v equal to is the video ID. So if I want to get comments from this video, I would copy this video ID and paste it here, and then when I access to Scraping Dog, I would find my Scraping Dog's API key on its dashboard. I would copy that from there. Meanwhile, I'm copying from the nodes I have. For the open router, again, you can have a ChatGPT API key, or you can access open router. So I have my API key with me. I'll paste it here again, and when everything is done, I would click collect and analyze. So my tool is analyzing with GPT now, and it is done. So the overall sentiment in the comment is positive, highlighting a supportive and encouraging discourse on the significance of emotional. So this is the sentiment analysis that our tool gives. Currently, again, we are just scraping the first 20 comments and analyzing those. If you want to scale it, you can do so. You need to use next underscore page underscore token parameter from the YouTube comments API of Scraping Dog. This parameter gives you 20 comments each time. So like if you have 120 total comments, you would need to throw 5 next page and next underscore page underscore token queries to your workflow. So if you want to use YouTube comments API in your workflow, you can always sign up to Scraping Dog and use the API. We do have other YouTube APIs such as YouTube Transcript API and YouTube Channel Scraper API. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.